Today we're going to make a hanging chick feeder. These are the materials you're going to need to make this craft project. First, take 20 feet of rope and wind it into a center pull bundle. Tuck the end of the rope into the last wrap and pull it tight. Make an overhand knot on the steel ring and pull it tight. Then, using half hitches, cover the whole ring. Be sure to cover the tail to secure the rope in place. With the ring covered, you can now place the ring on the jar and rewrap the remaining rope into a tight bundle. The first half of the knot is made by going over the ring and back through the loop. The second half of the knot goes under the ring and back through the loop. Continue to make 7 cowhitch knots around the ring. For the rest of the rows of the net, make the cowhitch knots in each loop. Try to keep the loops even and pull the knots tight. And work your way around the jar. When you reach the bottom of the jar, use half hitches to secure the end of the rope. Now we turn the jar over and attach the 5-foot sections of rope using a lark head knot. In 2 pairs of opposite loops. So we'll have 4 attached ropes. Using an overhand knot, tie 4 strands together. To start the ladder, take a strand from the left, under the other 2, over the top, under, and back over all 3. Then you're going to take a strand from the right and wrap it 3 times around the rung. Then tuck the end through the loop on the left and tighten all the strands. Don't start going out over the strands. Make sure you start out by going under. Remember to alternate the 2 strands you use on each rung. By alternating the strands, the ladder will not slide up or down. Tie an overhand knot at the end of the ladder. Make a matching ladder on the other side of the net. Then cut and seal the ends of the ropes. And maybe have to do another match. Come on. When the ends are sealed, screw on the feeder base. Attach your S hook or clasp and hang your feeder. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoy crafting.